If you need to find your SurveyMonkey survey ID, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it in just a few seconds. This is helpful if you're trying to connect a survey to another tool, troubleshoot a link, or simply grab the ID for reference. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once you're on the SurveyMonkey homepage, click on the survey you want to inspect. This is the important part, because the survey ID is tied to the specific survey you open. After the survey loads, look up at the URL in your browser's address bar. You don't need to go searching through menus or settings. The ID is usually right there in the link itself. In most cases, the survey ID will appear as a long number or string in the URL after SM equals. So, as you look through the browser address, scan for that SM parameter and copy the full value that comes after it. That long number or text string is your SurveyMonkey survey ID. If you're not seeing it right away, take a moment to make sure you're on the actual survey page and not just a dashboard or folder view, because the ID only appears when the survey is open. This method works fast, it's simple, and it saves you from digging around inside the platform for something that's already visible in the URL. Once you have the ID, you can paste it wherever you need it, whether that's in documentation, a workflow, or a third-party integration. So to recap, go to SurveyMonkey, open the survey, check the browser URL, and find the long string after SM equals. That is your survey ID. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.